This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Beverly Carter. Charming and updated describes this 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home. Enjoy the open living area with new wooden flooring throughout, ceiling fans and new paint. Kitchen has new countertops, plenty of cabinets, beautiful backsplash and all new appliances stay, including refrigerator, range and dishwasher. Second living room has utility area and would be great as an office or playroom. This nice 3-bedroom home has a large full bath with all new tile, bathtub and vanity. The second half bath is spacious and enough room to add a shower. Blinds are installed on all windows. Many updates and great family home. Large backyard is fenced and just minutes from shopping, dining and Morrison Highschool and grade school. 15 minutes from Stillwater, Perry and 30 minutes from Ponca City. Easy access to Turnpike 2. 100% rural development loans available for qualified buyers. There is also some great programs for down payment assistant. Call for more information and to view this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Beverly Carter at 405-743-9618.